Mahalo, followers! This episode's all about garlic shrimp scampi, Hawaiian style, inspired by Giovanni's, so stay tuned. Shrimp. That's what we're doing today. And an episode I've been wanting to make for quite a while now, but just something else or other bumped it out, and another idea popped in my head, and shrimp got put on the back burner. What kind of shrimp? What we're gonna do is a Giovanni's shrimp truck inspired Hawaiian garlic shrimp. Now, for those that don't know what or who Giovanni's shrimp truck is, let me just go back and give you the story behind all this. I'll try to make it real quick. But one of my next to the last cruises in the Navy was a trip around the Horn of South America. It was just after 9/11, and all of our ports got canceled. So basically, we're making a beeline from the East Coast all the way to the West Coast, and the Navy decided, well, you know, since we got rid of all their ports of calls, we'll let them stop in Hawaii. So really cool. I got to go to Hawaii. Unfortunately, it's kind of one of those bittersweet things. It was cool that I was there, but I wasn't there with my wife, so kind of tarnished it a little bit. Anyways, when we got there, people were talking about this shrimp truck on the north side of the island. But of course, foodie being that I am, I gotta go up there and check it out. So a few of us chiefs rented a car. We take the little scenic tour over there. Did the typical tourist thing. Stopped at the Dole Plantation on the way up, and then we get up the North Shore. Sure enough, there's this little truck, this little beat up truck sitting off on the side of the road in this little grove, and boy, did they have some garlic shrimp. I mean, this stuff was out of this world. Now, you can't be faint of heart on the garlic, because this stuff is loaded with garlic. So I'm going to show you how we cook it down a little bit slower, so it's not so strong, but it's going to have some garlic to it, okay? So, if you got things with vampires, you want to be eating this, because they ain't going to come anywhere near you. So what I'm going to do is get a few things together here, show you what the ingredients are. We'll put this together so you can see how they make, or my version of the Giovanni's shrimp truck garlic shrimp, or what they call scampi. So what do we have for ingredients? I'm going to tell you what the ingredients are. I'll kind of walk through the method, and then we'll get cracking on this. So I've got a pound of 16 to 20 shrimp, and these are easy peels. I've got some cornstarch here that we're going to go ahead and dredge the shrimp in. I have a whole 2 heads of garlic. That's a lot of garlic. And actually, because this is my version, Giovanni's would actually have more garlic than this. So my kind of scaled back, because I know if I put all the garlic in here, that my wife probably wouldn't eat this. And I've got 8 tablespoons of butter. I got 2 teaspoons of paprika. I have 1 teaspoon of ground red pepper, cayenne, some salt and pepper to taste, and some lemons. Oh, and I got some oil here. I've got a blend. A lot of times people use the olive oil for this, but I've got a avocado, coconut, and safflower blend of oil. It's really good. Actually, I mistakenly bought this. I thought I was getting chosen avocado oil, same sort of bottle. It's one of those grab and run things, and didn't realize I got a blend. But once I use it, I said, whoa, this is really good. All right, so what I'm going to do is, first thing we're going to do is we're going to coat our shrimp. Then we're going to go ahead and pan fry our shrimp, set them to the side. Then we're going to kind of make our sauce, and then we'll pull it all together. I've got sticky rice already cooked in the back. The very first thing I'm going to do is take my shrimp and give it a little marinade. So away go these items over here, and what I'm going to do is drizzle about 1/3 cup of oil on my shrimp. There we go. And put about 2 tablespoons of garlic in there, a pinch of paprika, and a pinch of salt and pepper, and oops, and we'll give this a squeeze of lemon. There we go. Give this a nice little turn. There we go. I'm going to let this marinate for about 30 minutes. Okay, so what we're going to do here is just give our shrimp a little dredging of cornflour, cornstarch, I'm sorry, cornstarch. These out here. Making a mess already. Let me tell you, when I first went, well, the only time I went to the Giovanni shrimp truck, they weren't as popular as they are now. I mean, they were popular, but now they're like a cult. And there are a lot more shrimp trucks on the island now, or islands, as a result of Giovanni's success. And probably a lot of them are really good, but you know, Giovanni's is Giovanni's. You know, if you're gonna have garlic shrimp, you need to go to Giovanni's. And the truck's a lot bigger now. I think in the beginning of my video, you'll see a picture of me outside the original Giovanni's truck, and that was a pretty small truck. They were doing a lot of business out of that thing. Okay, so we're going to pan fry these, get them in the oil here. And I've only put enough oil just to cover the bottom. So we'll get these in here, we'll pan fry these, get them nice and brown, transfer them to a plate to rest, and then we'll start our Scampi sauce, our Hawaiian Giovanni's inspired Scampi sauce. Alright, so we'll let these go a bit and we'll get them turned over. Alright, so looking nice and brown, we'll give them a flip and continue cooking on each side. Alrighty, nice and brown. Take the last of them out. Oh wow, these are looking good. And I'm actually going to save all the num-nums in the bottom of this pan and end up adding this to our sauce. Don't want any of that shrimp juice getting away from Alright, now on to our Scampi garlic sauce here. So I'm going to put about a 1/4 cup of oil in my pan. And I'm going to go ahead and put the 8 tablespoons of butter in here. Actually, I'm going to turn this on. Get this heated up. Get this melted down, and then we'll add our garlic. Alright, so we're almost melted up here. Before I get the garlic in, one of the keys to this is to not cook the garlic too fast. We want to slow cook the garlic, get it nice and brown, and that will prevent it from being too overpowering. We'll sweeten it up a bit. Kind of like when you slow cook onions, saute onions. Alrighty, so we'll let this garlic saute a little bit here. As I get closer down on the browning side of the house, we'll add our other ingredients. We're about 3 minutes into the sauteing of the garlic here, and it's just starting to get a little bit golden. So we're doing really well here. We're not cooking it too fast, too high. It's just about right. At this point here, I'm going to go ahead and add my cayenne. I'm going to add my paprika. And I'm going to add my lemon juice. Half a lemon. This is going to be good. Give that a little stir, and we'll brown that garlic up a little bit longer. So this is going to probably take about another 2 to 3 minutes, and then we should be looking really good. Okay, so our garlic is looking good here. It's getting nice and brown. I'm going to give it a pinch of salt and pepper. I'm going to go ahead and throw my shrimp back in here. I'm going to turn my heat off. Put a little bit of the num-nums from my shrimp in there when I cook my shrimp. I'll give this a toss. Oh wow. The garlic is just nice and brown. It's not burned. This is what we're looking for right here. This is what we're looking for. And we're going to have some nice sauce on the bottom of this. And this is it right here. For those that have been to Giovanni's, you're gonna recognize this. For those that haven't been to Giovanni's that are heading to Hawaii, hopefully soon, once this pandemic is over, you'll be going there. I can guarantee it. Alrighty, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna plate this up, and we'll come back and give it a taste. Alrighty, it's time to put this plate together here. So, got my sticky rice over here. Get a nice scoop of sticky rice. Get that on the plate. Oh. Go in here with some of this nice scampi, as Giovanni's calls it. And that's good. Oops. Drop that there. Oh. Yeah, if I can grab a little lemon wedge there. And then take a little bit of this garlic sauce. Some on top of the rice. Some over the shrimp. There you have it. Hawaiian garlic shrimp, as Giovanni's calls it, their scampi. So before I taste this, let me give my shout out. This shout outs to all you sailors lucky enough to have been stationed or being stationed currently in Hawaii. You lucky son of a guns. Alrighty. This, I always say it, but if you could smell what I'm smelling right now. And let's go in here and take the shell off a little bit here. I don't really like shell. Me a deal. Mahalo. This is kicking. I'm back at Giovanni's. No, I'm right here. But you can do it too. You can have this. You gotta make this. You saw how simple it is. I mean, holy moly, guacamole. Words escape me. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, most importantly, and share. And right over here, you know, punch my little logo, and that's a quick link to subscribe. So until next time, thank you.